Oh, makinig daw sa speech. Everybody
Okay,
here.
listen. Okay, Tito Sunny.
Walang iya akong mga pamangkin. At lahat ng mga mabait kong kapatid, thank you very much.
Eh, paano mga anak mo? Paano yung mga anak mo? Gano'n sinasabi? Ano yung para sa anak? Ang sabi mo? Na.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dad!
Next.
Okay.
Pa, ikaw na pa.
Demonche!
Ano masasabi ko? Wish and, kahit ano.
Wish and speech.
I think I'm the luckiest guy.
Why?
Dahil unang-una, nakasama ko kayo, kasama ko ang aking anak na si Bong, which I haven't seen for so many years. Ang mga apo ko.
Because of your fault.
They're doing fine. Plus all of you. Mga pamangkin
mong magaganda.
mga apo ko na hindi ko nakikita. Kasi kagaya ni Camille. At yung the only boy.
Of course!
Donna, my favorite.
Oh, wish. I wish that this baby be born in the Philippines, although it was made in America.
My wish is everybody will have good health, especially my brother Sunny, to be able to recover whatever is wrong with him.
Yes.
Long life,
Full recovery.
Yes.
That's all I wish. And Olga to have longer life and live
And
life.
that,
That
hopefully,
will be a perfect one.
Amen!
Itawag ka, Star!
Okay, sa Olga.
Iiyak
na yan! Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan!
Speech si Olga. Payat.
Oh my God. Wow! Kahit umiiyak sa siya.
English speaking.
Ika speech. Parang natalo lang tayo sa eleksyon.
Speech
lang.
I love you. Yan hindi pa.
We love you too.
Everybody loves you.
Titawag ka, wish.
Wish.
Ano wish mo?
To see us again soon. To see us
Sa
again.
mga lalaki, many wife. Ano? Si Montes sabi niya, I wish I would improve the Viagra by 19.
Love you!
Yay! Happy birthday to you.
Talo.
Tita Lida. Ako, Tita Lida na pala. Tita Lida. Kailangan pasayahin natin. Go, Tita Lida.
Okay, ano nangyari? From the family of Bong, family of G, Donna, my mom, everybody, especially me, thank you for taking care of the three boys and extending your love to us. Maraming salamat. And we really love you so much.
O, panggal na mo ah!
Of course, long life for you. Sobrang long life. And Tita Lida, thank you for taking care of Tita Olga. Really. Alam ko naman kayong dalawa ang body-body. Come on, Chef.
Dali. Oh, wait. Daddy. Daddy naman.
First of all, I'd like to thank my nephews, my nieces, especially Leah, for having this one and only celebration. This is once in a lifetime. And hopefully we can repeat it in the coming years.
Of course we will.
So I thank you. I love you all. A wish for Lynette. Let's make love!
I love you! Let's do the Gangnam Style. Ayan na. Go dance! Yes!